Hello students, this is Electro Class 8 Subject Maths Exercise 16a. Today we will start our example of this exercise. So first example, prove that any two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are supplementary. मीन्स हमें इसमें प्रूव करके दिखाना है कि एक पैरेललोग्राम के जो एडजेसेंट एंगल होंगे, टू एडजेसेंट एंगल होंगे, वो सप्लीमेंट्री होंगे. Adjacent angle means this is A, this is B. Clear? Supplement. These are the adjacent angles. Similarly, B and C, C and D, D and A. These are the adjacent angles. Clear? Supplementary means that is add when we will add angle A plus angle B, it will become 180 degree. Clear? So this is known as the supplementary angle. So we have given ABCD is a parallelogram and AD parallel to BC, means this is AD, this is BC, parallel to parallel, and AB is a transversal line. Like, clear? Means like these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal line. Then angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. You have to write the reason is sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180 degree. Means एक इंटीरियर एंगल्स जो ट्रांसवर्सल के सेम साइड पर बने हुए होते हैं, उनके एंगल का जो सम होता है वो 180 डिग्री होता है. क्लियर? सिमिलरली यू कैन फाइंड लाइक एंगल बी प्लस सी, लाइक ए बी एंड सी डी आर पैरेलल, बी सी इज द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, so it will become angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Similarly, angle C plus angle D, BC and AD are parallel and DC is a transversal line, and so on. So we'll get the result like angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, angle B plus angle C 180 degree, angle C plus angle D 180 degree, and angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So the sum of any two adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Clear? This is the simple notation of the parallelogram. You can write like parallelogram means this symbol is known as the parallel and the form like gram, so it will become parallelogram. So hence that is any two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are supplementary. One more point which you have to remember here, you have to write the reason. If you will be not write the reasons, marks will be deducted. Clear? That depends on the examiner. Clear? So you have to write the reason, most important case to solve the any sums of this exercise. Clear? Now the next, two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are 2:3. Find the measure of each of its angle. Means अब यहाँ पर हमें two adjacent angle, एक पैरेललोग्राम के टू एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का रेशियो दिया हुआ है, दैट इज 2:3 में है वो. हमें हर एक एंगल्स को यहाँ पर फाइंड आउट करना है. क्लियर? सपोज दिस इज ए बी सी डी विच इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. क्लियर? एंड एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी आर इट्स एडजेसेंट एंगल. नाउ कंसिडर एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू 2x डिग्री and angle B is equal to 3x degree. Clear? Now that is angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Already we have studied this case because sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree or supplementary. Now will become like 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. Add 5x is equal to 180, x will become 36 degree. And so the value of x is 36. Now find out the angle A. Angle A which is equal to 2x, it means 2 into 36, it will become 72. Similarly, angle 3 which is equal to 3x, so it will become 3 multiplying 36, it will become 108 degree. Now look, we find angle A and angle B which is equal to 72 and 108 degree. Now we know that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D because opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. So will become angle C 72 degree and angle D is 108 degree. And now you have to write in the last all the angles, like angle A is angle A is 72 degree, angle B 108 degree, angle C 72 degree, and angle D is equal to 108 degree. That's our answer. Clear? Now is the next example in adjoining figure, that is ABCD. This is the figure ABCD, which is a parallelogram in which angle A is given, that is 75 degree. Find the measure of each of the angle B, C and D. Means you have to find out angle B, angle C, angle D. Clear? Again we have given ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is 75 degree. First you have to write the complete informations which are given in the statements. Clear? Do not solve like from here, like directly. You have to write the informations which you have given in our statements, like. Clear? So ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is 75 degree. Now angle A plus angle B is 180 degree. Clear? Because AD and BC are parallel and AB is a transversal line. So that is sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. You have to write the reason here. Now put the value of angle A 75, get the result angle B. It will become 105 degree. Now angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, because opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. So will become angle C 75 degree, angle D is 105 degree. Clear? Now write all the angles. Angle A 75, angle B 105 degree, angle C 75 degree and angle D is 105 degree. Clear? That's our answer. Now you have to solve the sums from 1 to 4 of exercise 16A in fair notebook. These 4 sums you have to solve in fair notebook. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.